So, who likes walking? Can I ask you? And who likes talking? And who likes both? So, my name is Andy. I'm a laughing trainer and coach. And my favorite is to bring happiness to people's life back. So I want to share a story, what comes in my mind. There are two people. And two people are walking and talking. And they are walking and talking down the way, down the street. And many things happen around. But these two people just talking and walking. And there are cars, there are lights, there are people. But still, these two people just talking and walking. And I can stay over and over what happened around, but suddenly somebody crossed the way and ran over the street and got hit from a car. But it's two people just walking and talking. Again, I can share more and more and more, but this kind of two people can be in one person. How many times happens that we are walking and walking and there is a noise or two noises, sometimes three, and just talking. And in this moment we didn't see around what has happened. I was in America 3.5 years and at the beginning it happened to me. I was looking to the end of the street and I only see the end of the street and I want to go there. But in a way, I look only straight, and I didn't see left and right till I broken down. It was the beginning of my journey in America. And when I broken down, I opened, and I saw already everything I need, the most of them was standing around me, but I couldn't see it. And here, this one was talking and walking and talking and walking and talking and walking. It's not that I'm perfect now. It still happened with me. But sometimes it's good to stand still and look around. And there are so many nice people as here. They are still waiting to connect. But we say walking, we never will see them. I can talk many things again about this one, but really it's something comes up in my heart some days ago. Because that is something where we can really connect everywhere, not only on Facebook, on the public. And of course, I like to bring people to love. Laughing, that's a point for me. Love and laughing. Sometimes I don't know which one is the right one. It's interesting. Now I'm standing here and forget what I want to say. That's happened to me. I like to talk, but it's good also to find the way to stop. I say thank you. And